workmanship, molded by your grace. You took the broken pieces and gave them a holy place. If you never held back your only son to die for love for everyone, then how could I ever doubt your heart for me now? You held nothing back for me. You gave it all on Calvary. If you didn't withhold your only son, then I know you freely give me all I need. Your mercy flows so endlessly.